Hello. Uh, Tini salbamani yago Facebook Live o phaye kau the the ju sanima phaya region ke bono je koek dino jong nai tomo je Tripura chini hasteni chini ha bo Tripura o je bangma kau salaye kau banglai tuma je chini je Tripura ni situation no tongphari ni hiye je media wo phaye bangma Facebook Instagram inke nini YouTube bodi ma channel news ro phaye social media platform phaye bangma bro ro bangma kau salayo chini hani bupagrano jeba bekhe mo hamya salai pai tongo je Delhi pedal yatrawati bupagrani speech no tuye je koekjona phatharo tongye Tripura bo tongphlari nai tongo abo chosma kainai bini mong tumasing khamo actually I don't know that guy having wearing spec maybe Chandon Chatterjee de na chodu pandai de abo boroni bro habo siningya anke boro phaibu bagrano je bapekhe nang ya kau saye bubagrano mo hamya khiye Tripura bo je tiprasa ngete wainsa boding khiye phelerie je danga swisti khil nai tumo brauno chong sning wo haisi chong nailame ya bo bro rono bubagra je Agartala ni nokphang Teilamura nokphang Kanchapur nokphang he obviously maninghe once upon a time Tripura was a kingdom ruled by 184 kings chini Agartala ni je property at present je tongnai nini MBB college hindi Tulsi Boti school hindi nini Ujenta Palace tao presently state museum hinai angke Maharaja Bir Bikram GB hospital no je tangni hi jaga ya pherinai mane overall pap joto chini hani bubagraroni samong brang tangye khunang maro obviously all Tripura se chini raja rauni se inke bole this is not just scripted or abo suiti moni kauya bole this is practical bole kauk boisi inke chini bupagrano je hamya salayo abo totally we condemn as a indigenous youth of Tripura and a proud citizen of India jong brauno sniyo jong nailamiya tmaningke braudima broro Tripura o phaye jeba bekhe uskani riye jeba bekhe broro no chini history no je brang nosto kheni brano abono kroi khe hini je sauthai lai tomo abono jong tiprasara po sini nangnai example chini tiprasa je right time o je janjani selfish nijeni sarthe ni boye BJP party khiye CPM party khiye MLA chapai tunera photo brano sanim chu naidi khasini nau nangni party abo tini tungnai khna ekring thanai kintu jati dophato forever aboto nang no ke প্রশ্ন খেনিম চু যারা বিভিন্ন পার্টি খেয়ে sring sring tong tong nero no naidi je keha songgothon tongo abo mahinai personally ang to always ang tara Bangali hiyo ba jeta hiyo moke amra Bangali bodima songgothon uniform thuriye brao ব্রাউনি জাতি বাঙালিনে অস্তিত্ব রক্ষানি বাউয়ে হিয়ে ব্রাউ লাথারিয়ে ব্রাউ অস্ত্র ইয়াফাইরিয়ে ব্রাউ রেলি মিছিল খেপাই দङ চিনি তিপ্রাসারাव जदिसे चिनि तिप्रासाने रखानि बाउये हि चों यूनिफॉर्म र थुरिये लाथाराव रिलाये चों जदिसे मिছিল रेली खेहांखे मा उनाय चिनि सुजाकाव आं बनो सानाय जे चिनि BJP ni ongye MLA ong tunai CPM ni MLA ong tunai sana chini Jitendra Chaudhary hogra chong we respect you ata promote we respect you Shukla Charan we respect you as a Tiprasa or as a minister or as a MLA we all respect you but keeping quiet in times of need is not a good sign for our Tiprasa. Bini Patharo Jara Nini Nagaland Nadi Brau Naga Ekor Nitu Brau Joto Keha Palong Thampayu Bibino Bangmar Jarjani political party Tongpo Brau Somi Peke Brau Palong Thang Mane Hamlaye Keha mutual Keha understanding terms of Haye Nijeni Jatini constitutional rights Nijeni Jatini constitutional recognition land rights more power Abdima Notu Yebram Palong Thampayu Chini Tiprasa Woke Kau Banglai Tong Kau Masaya Je Kam Tangnai Chini Bubagra no Hamya Salai Paitung Chini just this morning I came across one live Facebook done by that very guy who created tension in North Tripura. His name is I think Chandan Chatterjee, something like that. He is a communal guy who is living in Calcutta and trying to create communal tension in our state of Tripura. Is not a good thing. Let me remind you, Mr. Chandan, you are the very guy who created communal tension in North Tripura, because of which our beloved brother Vishwajit Debarma, a fireman, was brutally murdered during their broad light, and we are not getting any justice. He did not get any justice. We Tiprasa, we are fighting for our rights. We are not fighting to take away your rights. Remember, Mr. Chandan, if you are watching this video, we are fighting. Already it has been 76 years of our state, Tripura. Before it was a kingdom, now it is a state. 9 September 1949, Tripura kingdom merged with India, and now it is already 76 years. And still we indigenous people, we are fighting, we are waiting for our rights. We are not fighting to take away your rights or somebody's rights. We are fighting for our rights. Mr. Chandan, if you are trying to create a communal tension, remember, nobody is going to benefit. Nobody is going to live peacefully. You have to understand, Mr. Chandan, don't try to create communal tension. We Tiprasa, we are peace-loving people. because of which during riots in the then Bangladesh, it was not a Bangladesh, it was a East Pakistan. Sorry, there was a little bit of disconnection. Abon boy khoma sanyu. Nade chong Tiprasa, chong peace loving people. Now let me tell you, Mr. Chandan, during a time of riots in Bangladesh, the then East Pakistan, you guys have come with nothing. Your women were raped, your youths were being murdered, houses were burned, properties were looted. With hearts, as a human being, our kings have shown humanity and have welcomed you in our state, in Tripura, and provided food, shelter, everything. Don't forget the love, the humanity shown by our kings. And instead now you have become a majority coming from Bangladesh. Now you are showing your power here in our state. That is why, in case if my live Facebook reach to our Prime Minister or Home Minister or across the country, please, with Tiprasa, we are facing a crisis, constitutional crisis, constitutional rights. Jong abor mai yang itu. Aun pano cini Tiprasa ang keha riang indigenous people of Tripura and a proud citizen of India. Abungya ang cini riang rono po ang sanim chu. Hadi jong somuyo mostly jong riang ro jong population of second largest people of population of Tripura hin jong boni he kau salai tong actually jong kau tha ungye cini rights ni boy jong for fight ken no cini ata promotion nang MLA ung pai tong nang po kau sani no sudu personally jarjani property janjani rangho puicha ung pai thangke abo pa thik ung tha hain ta chung di we still have a next generation cini next generation tong ko abo na po chung wine show lai ni now sorry call phai thami sa disturb ung tha chung chilai ni now chung khas le now mami ke chung no jeba pe thong ti ma bole chini ko esinu tong abo amra bangali hiyo nai brau salk thang wo brang ni ostito rokha ni bo ye hi pujis namye uniform so pujis namye la tha tuye missile rally khepai tong sara prithibini waisaro kau tha ong di hi Engke bingla ke sampai tu engke cini bro lek mang miung maya. Tawa 2026 delimitation phai tong. Delimitation mane joto chong siu. Tebe ha according to the population ni motebo cini demarcation unai cini rights ni bo decision la nai. Engke to chong on chong 20 seats cini ST reserve. Abo ST Santri Bazar ST reserve seat unai se tawa cini ata promote po MLA mau. In case if that Santri Bazar seat MLA seat jodi se general seat ungke nong ata pramun unghe jibono MLA machaye ungke 2026 o delimitation ungtham phuo abo je seat abo kma thangni ni Santir Bazar Chorilam Ambasadima jaga kma thangke 20 ni 3ta seat jodi ta obrang ni thio aro population almost equal ungke abo dima seat jodi se kma thangke abadima seat jodi sorry bindike mobile thai bukre mobile thai haumi call ro phayo line sa nini sa disturbance phai thau abon bau ye khoma sayo chini tiprasa chini kongthai bara thui chini thui tong rai chau rai somni thui tong jong warriors jong kau thau ni no jong salk thau se pa ong ye tong everything is happening very much clearly. We can see what is happening in our state. Jini bro ronok makhe tinyo chongjo tonu. Tao ang sanai jara BJP khenai, jara CPM khenai, jara Congress khenai, jini tiprasa ongye brono sanim chuo. Naidi jini bro rauni no molestation, harassment, ungke chini rape, murder, chini no kheti mo. Abono tuye tao Tripura wo only ang tipramo thahin samya, ang YTF kheu hin bokono samya only chini tipra mothani uye se chong joto jaga all over the state and across the country o chini bruni saka masu ungke chong se khorang tisa tong chong. Bubagrani warriors so chong khorang ti saye nangke thana pho FIR khelayo nangke chong protest pho khelayo chong movement pho kheo chong chini khorang ti sa to only chong tipramo thaung ye abo chong tipramo thaung ye ang proud pho khepio kintu bole not this duty is not only for tipramotha warriors. This is a duty for every tiprasa. Joto tiprasa ni chini daitto chini responsibility chini bro no nije ni jati no rokha kheni bo ye. Jong joto gorib beneficiary rubber bagan o tao poini bag ye jong bibinno party khelai tung obo leaders ang sane common lead jara common tone khatong sa hu o tone bro ro jara param sim tone bro ro nangle ba chongle শুধু ও তাও পইম বাই মহাসে চং হ্যাপি খেউয়ে আসলে ভবিষ্যতক মাউথানে আবনফ চং ইয়ামানি চং আপ নাং নাংয়া লিডার্স অনি উংক্লাও থাংয়ে চং চিনি আসল ডিমান্ড ন চং সাইনলাইয়া উংয়ে তং which is very much wrong. Kintu jara those who are leaders sitting in Agartala, sitting as MLA, sitting as MDCs, working in other different political parties, they are enjoying actually. Brane enjoy kisi khetong, jong who khechao, jong param sinyo tui kroi, lama kroi, school kroi, current kroi, doctor kroi khechong, ta obot mani matome, takum khuro jong abo what was his name? I don't know that guy and I don't want to mention his name again and again, but I have to say the very guy Chandan Chatterjee, Mr. Chandan Chatterjee, you are the main culprit who created communal tension in North Tripura and have murdered innocent fireman Biswajit Deborma in Panisagar. I am not speaking because I am doing Tipramotha. I am live now, live I'm doing live Facebook just because I'm a Tiprasa, proud Tiprasa, and an indigenous person, son of the soil, proud citizen of India. Abo chong sirinao chong ma upai thamin chin Tiprasa ro. Why? What is happening with our Tiprasa? Chinero Raima Valley wo sanai 44 Raima Valley ST constituency robo nayo sakhe chini mahinai joining program BGPO joining IPFTO joining CPMO joining pho Mothawa joining pho that is abo to politics hai abole that is politics abo kuno dofani samung ya dofani samung tangning sacrifice I was also a divisional agricultural chairman subdivision ambo ekjon agriculture chairman tomo I have quit without any reason just ang openly ka samung tang nim mungchungo abon ba se ang quit kheu ani ho family to I have a family 2 daughters I have a wife chini Tiprasa rao chong khasileya Jitendra Choudhury nono respect kheu Tiprasa hisabio no tma jat koila nong nin jat no sining di Jitendra Choudhury MP pho chaha once upon a time you were also a MP now at present nong tma LOP leader of opposition nong dima bro ro phaye se chini bubagra bini sampoti ma tong sidisi do you know Mr. Jitendra Choudhury bubagra ni sampoti asuke bangwo bong politics thonim juye je jaga thangpho nije ni jati ni kau saye tong jini Tiprasa ni land rights now next year ni April 2 tarik phaike ani bu 40 years can have 40 years going to be 40 years still now I don't have a land in my name my parents my parents we don't have any land in our name boding ke sara Tripura wo chin Tiprasa tonero nijeni mungo kuno jaga ni nijeni mungokrui why because we don't have land rights that is why our Bubagra is fighting for our rights that is why he is raising his voice bongorok phaye hudda huddi bing bekhe obo আমরা বাঙালি দেহিং না চন্দন দেহিং অনুপনাথ দেহিং আবদিমা ব্রো বেকে বুবাগ্রানো আর ইমানি নাংনায়া কাউ সাইত তুইনি মানি বিন দরকার নাইয়া চং খাসিনি নাও actually yes really it's a high time for us to understand chini bro no rape kheo chini bro no murder kheo Jong justice maya mani bau ye Jong sini nang ha we need to understand come on politics Jong India independence my mom sa bo sarkar tha nai still Jong Tiprasa ro khatong songa ke matong payo in ADC area wo school ni problems nai di keha kau sama to atom bomb don't need atom bomb, no need gun to destroy a community or a society. Destroy their education system, then the future will be completely under darkness. Aboni policy no, aboni system o, abono tuye se, chini ADC o, school to mo master kroi, abodin khe chini ADC ni education system no nosto khete yo. Abole chong sini na wo. Jong khasini na wa bole sakhe BJP yo joining pho sakhe IPFT yo joining pho. Come on, who are those leaders? Abo leaders po, they are actually dalal bro, joto dalal Agartala ni netaroni dalali kheu chung mau pai tham oskang keha jagobondu bazaro keha joining program ho aro joining program o BJP ot na thang pho 3-4 jon 3-4 families kauriyo pho je aro angonwadi center rienu no nangno didi moni rinai nini lama no tumahinai CC road snami rinai nini parawo nini nuklao tui water supply kai rinai hey good kaham kau. It is a duty for every elected person. Abo joto elected person roni duty se abo parawo tui krui lama krui karang krui khenile are hingpho abo deima bro jongno nosto kheu chini bro ni je fight khetomo jongje chini constitutional rights ni je chong fight khetomo jongje greater Tripura boy fight khetomo abo chini abono brau Agartala netaroni kau khnaye nungno angno ulta pulta kau saye jongno nosto kheu abon bause chini Tripura sarau chaidin pinding mo chini taku David Mura Singh 2,500 kilometers Delhi o hing thau abono pho heri nong hing maya nong thang maya kheba nong sring khe tongdi abono pho mayung thang se maha khemaya singyu thangye aro makhenai bodi rokhe fan kheu fan beini jat nongna angno soryat brauno khe buchung respect riwo nijera khe bu lathrileyo what is this botma beino khe bu mane man sonman riye beino khe bu nini tuma nai yes sir unglayo nijen jatna ke buthu bodi ma faltu rok de nijen jatna ke ake salayo this is the fact ang just bokau samon region le jong Tripura sarau jong pongthai bararo jong khasine na hain samon jong je gorib ungmo abo gorib ni faida la tong Agartala ni neta rok unkhe janjani area wo je abo Agartala ni neta ni dalali khene rok ni kau khnaye brangni thiyo post position money rang puicha nini president ungni secretary ungni nini MDC ungni MLA ungni minister chani Agartala ni neta rok ni dalali khepai tong chin Tripura sarok nijen area khebu lama krui tui krui current krui master krui so abo di mana tarono chung ruprik ma khene ang nije abo di mana taung nikhe omayu ongkhe chini next generation ni bau ye hamyang nai rang pui chakri pho chong jati ni samung tang lai tong bubak rana logeri lai tong chini gondawo chini raima beliwo gotona rong thamos abo gotona ongkhe tma o abo home power krui ni bau ye bini chang thong aboro se wana masa chini te after 20 years after 15 20 25 30 years what will happen to our next generation if these things continues so as long as Bubagra is there we need to support our Bubagra bini সম্পত্তি আশাকে বাও आं निजे सियो आं निजे थांगे नाये फायहा बिनि सम्पत्ति दरकार नाया बिन बेखे उल्टा पुल्टा काउ सायो ये प्रदूत हिंतिनि दरकार नाया बुबाग्रा निनि आइनि बाउसे फाइट खेतो मिया जन्तर मन्तर फ बिनि मुख तै खुख्लाये जिनि बुं थै थांफ जिनि तिप्रासानि जे मान सम्मान no bong sakatui na hiye bong bode he kau sato Jitendra Choudhury ata promote chini ro Raima Valley ni 8 nong gongana gonda chora ni je MDC tongnai mama noklayo Bhumika Shukla Charan boarding ke tre chini Bimal Kanti Chakma MDC buste lagbe to na MDC saheb আমাদের পরিস্থিতি আমরা কোন জায়গাতে আছি আমরা এই কথা বলছি মানে আমরা আমাদের বাঙালিদের বিরোধী নই আমরা আমাদের অধিকারের জন্য লড়াই করতেছি We are fighting for our rights. We are not fighting to take away somebody's rights. Mapi, ambo e joto jagawo ang sao, joto jagawo, chini bro ro, para wo kau se abo message ready, kau thani message ready, jen after 20 years, after 15 years, jung tmang thane. ST reserve seat tungye se no ang MLA ticket sei lai tungmayu ST reserve seat kruingke general o ongke jungdima kongthai barat role jibono pho competition o thangye chungle MLA phuma chaya minister phuma chaya Vikas Deborma bini office pho ang thang phaya as a human being is very good but mukhawo je samoya tiprasane odhikar ni bo kau sawo ampule bungpho bini minister post no pau thangni nau jong illegal immigrants ni tui kau salayo thangnayo recently few days back what happened in Ireland, Australia, Germany. Bro, India go back in slogan dilepaito. Give us white country back. Mani bau ye India ni bro aro thangye brani jagawo chakri bokri sujug subida lapet toha brani asol aro ni bro ke maya ye bro kau tui saya slogan dilai movement ke pai tong angke chini Tripura bu same India bu same chini Tripura bu lakhs and lakhs phathar ni Bangladesh ni refugee shornathi ro phaiye chakri laha MLA pai tong minister pai tong chief minister pai tong who are they browse bo phathar ni phaine ro no angke bo indigenous asol bro ro ke bo still gorib phathar ni phaine ro ke bo chini samtui ni chakri brow la pai tui nang tha Raima Valley wo Mr. Chondon, let me tell you again, in Gandachora, which is under Dalai district, there is a village called 60 cart, 30 cart, 20 cart, 36 cart. What is that cart? When they have come from Bangladesh, they were given a refuge, they were given a shelter place to live. Only that time there was a 60 families, so they were given 60 cart. That is why their village name is 60 cart, 20 cart, 30 cart. तो बोदिंग के चिनी proof से तो जों सीसी तो साइड कार्ड 30 कार्ड 20 कार्ड अब सरनाथि से अब बांग्लादेश फाइने रावनो रुखलाय म तंथाय क्रि हि तंथारि म ब्रां अब से साइड कार्ड 30 कार्ड 20 कार्ड 30 कार्ड म नाउ ब्राउ साल से बाया चिनी गंडा दिं चिनी बॉर्डर बु बांग्लादेश बाय रशियाबारी daily Bangladeshi payo ro payo thaiju bagan ke payo business ke payo abudin khiye chini bruk ni population komeru ke kome thong Mr. Chondon, there is no any village name in our Tiprasa, where our Tiprasa is living. The village name is called Biskard, Suitriscard, Side card like this. No card village name is there. The place where you guys living in, that place name is Side card, Triscard, Biskard. Why? Obviously, Bubagra is the owner of Agartala, owner of Tilemura, owner of Kanchanpur, because this Tripura was a kingdom ruled by 184 kings. Everything belonged to our Maharajas. Now after Tripura have merged with India in 9th September 1949, our kingdom has become a Tripura state. Now you are saying that Bubagra is defying the Constitution of India. This is completely wrong allegation. Abo salah emon ke unai jong khok sui lenai. One day all of us salah jong joto thipai thangnai. Ani pochi nim sam tuile tong abon bo se fight kiu. Abon bo se khorang ma tui sao. Hadi jong phok khas lena. Chini bro rok ma pai tham. Angke ke hari yang ye bo kono sapinai. Chini riang rok pho khasi ne nau. Bru riang hing kau bang layu BJP khelayo CPM khelayo Congress khelayo heri abole main issue letma ang chini riang rono sanai nedi bini dok hale braule jinis layo bro bang thangmi braule development ni bok yepo spo MLA ticket silai tongpho no problem MDC ticket silai tongpho no problem minister silai tongpho no problem but for us jongle problem tongo abono se chong shine no sakhe tre party thang go jini je rights jodi se mai thangke abo ki only tipra motha ba YTF khe toneran baude land rights ki only for YTF or tipra motha warriors abo BJP khe tonai CPM khe tonai Congress khe tonai joto nim samti ron bausi ambo e jini tipra saro khasini nao nke chini specially riang ro ang pho riang si and I'm very proud that I'm riang aring pho nijin jati no hamye omane trike ha deborma jomatia koloi kaiping molsom halam no brown no neglect het mani ya chung mile se ma tung ne pal khe se ma tung ne chung pal khe se ma tung ne awan ba ye chini riang ro pho khasi dei nang naya jaga wo thangye ari mane je bubagra no hamya sanai chini rights ni bo e fight khenai abudi maro no mane hamya sapi ta tung di ambo e de kokbang saya kokbang sapho bonong nai je somui motebo chong haung yangkhe chong dera lainai yogo ke sa balu thangwano so thank you angke chong tiprasar teba sanai chong joto kau thang he tonglena hambai